Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I have not filmed a video in such a long time and I'm sorry. I really want to get back into YouTube. I really enjoy making videos and so I'm back. Today I'm sharing something super exciting. I'm sharing the Happy Planners customizable planner. So I was sent one of the customizable planners by the Happy Planner, so thank you Happy Planner, and I'm very excited to open this. I have not opened it yet, so I'm very excited to see what layout I got and what theme and everything. So first off, if you don't know what the Happy Planner is, it is a customizable disc-bound planner system. I love it. It is my favorite planner system out there, and I just love it. I was one of their brand ambassadors for last year, and so I'm super grateful that they sent me this. So their customizable notebook and planner line was released a couple of days ago, and basically you can pick out your layout, your theme, you can put your name on the cover, and you can pick out the discs. So I will link below where you can buy yourself a customizable planner, and we're just gonna get into it. So first of all, the packaging is so cute. Look at the little discs on here. I mean, look how adorable that is. I'm saving the box for sure. And then it has this little sticker that says, "This box has your name all over it," which is so adorable. Okay. Oops. Oh, don't want to open it upside down. Okay. Okay. So first off, this is a little card from Hannah. So I'm gonna open that off of camera. But ooh, this is so cute. It says happy things inside. This is confetti paper. This is so cute. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says one of a kind, just like you. It says, let's put it together. Follow our assembly instructions at thehappyplanner.com/pages/happycustomized. And now show it off. Tag at the Happy Planner on Instagram and follow us for daily tips and tricks for staying organized and sticking with your goals. That is so cute. So here is the planner. So here is the cover I got. Look how adorable that is with my name on it. That is so cute. And I believe the dividers are in here, and it matches the theme of the cover. And then I got the watercolor sticker book. I don't have this one, so I'm super excited about that. I got the gold classic discs. Look how cute. Oh, that's so cute. And then here are the guts of the planner. So the guts are all the same depending on the layout. So we'll see what layout I got. I'm excited to see that. Okay, so that is all that's in here. And last but not least is the little plastic jig, which makes it, or I guess jig is, I don't really know what to call it, but this plastic piece helps you arrange your pages and put the pages on the discs. So we are going to get this out of the way and we're going to assemble it. I finished putting together the planner. It is absolutely stunning. So here's a little look at it. I won't flip through because I kind of already flipped through it. But here's the cover together with the gold glitter discs. It's so gorgeous. And then we have the page, and the title page, and then we have the insides, the guts of the planner. And then at the end, we have a notes page, and then we have the back of the planner. So that is a look at this customized planner. You can customize your own and pick a different layout. You can pick different discs. You can pick a different cover. You can put your name on it. There's so many options, so make sure to check out the link below. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you around. Bye!